this lesson, we will connect to our database using the dbeaver application. To add a new database, click on New Database Connection. Search for Postgres and click Next. For host, paste the endpoint URL for the database. This is available on the database details page. Note that the default port for Postgres 5432 is already filled in and we won't need to change that. We had named the database Postgres and used the same username. Enter the password you provided at setup. Click Test Connection. Great, looks like our connection worked. If you encounter any timeout issues here, please check that you made your database public and added your IP to the security group as we previously demonstrated. Also, ensure that you're not on any VPNs. Let's click Finish to save this connection. Let's explore the database and create some sample tables in it. Paste the SQL script provided in the course materials to create a simple fictional students table. Let's run a select on the table. We have been able to successfully connect to the AWS RDS database we created and created some data in it. That will bring us to the end of this lesson, but before ending it, let us delete the database we created. Click on Actions, then select Delete. We will choose not to create a final snapshot and not retain any backups. Type Delete Me and click the Delete button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one where we will introduce DynamoDB, a non-relational database service.